Hello, welcome to Mkulima Digital Platform. In Mkulima Digital Platform, a farmer can be able to track sales, a farmer can be able to track expenses, and also he can be able to generate invoices that comes directly from the agronomist. A farmer can be able to interact directly with the agronomist, and also the agronomist can post the reports and findings from a particular farm. So for one to be able to log in or even to create an account in Mkulima Digital Platform, you have to follow these simple steps. It's just as simple as ABC to create a farmer account in Mkulima Digital Platform. So the first step we have to is to click create farmer account. After clicking create farmer account, we have to enter our names. My name maybe is Evans Omweri. My address is evans@gmail.com. There is my phone number and my password. There it is. So after successfully adding all these fields, I create my account. So after creating, it will display account created successful. So this is how simple it is to create an account in Mkulima Digital Platform.